How do you create editable icons to use in Google Slides? First, you have to create your icon in a vector graphics software, such as Inkscape or Adobe Illustrator, and save it in WMF format. You can also download icons in SVG format on the internet and convert them to WMF using an online converter. Upload the WMF file to Google Drive. Right-click the file and click Open With, then choose Google Drawings. Once it opens in Google Drawings, select the icon and copy-paste it into Google Slides. You'll be able to resize and recolor it just like with any native shape in Google Slides.